Hello, my name is Beatrix Smith, and I'm a student at Redison School International. And the question I researched was, which beverages cause the most tooth enamel decay? Here's my abstract if you'd like to take a look. Based on my background research, I learned that tooth decay occurs when bacteria in the mouth forms an acid that eats away at tooth enamel. Tooth enamel is made of calcium phosphate and is very tough, but it can be destroyed by the acid formed by the bacteria in the mouth. My hypothesis was that Coca-Cola will cause the most damage because of its high sugar levels. Here are the materials that was used. To summarize my procedure, I used 7 different drinks like Coca-Cola, sparkling water, Diet Coke, orange juice, 5% vinegar, and water and borax. Each had varying sugar levels. It was poured into a measuring cup and then poured into a mason jar. The measuring cup was then washed, and it was repeated 6 more times for each beverage for a total of 7 beverages. 7 unbroken eggs were placed with 1 in each cup, and they were let to sit for a week with photos taken afterward. Here are my observations continued. My hypothesis was supported because the pH of Coca-Cola had the most change, meaning there would have been the most tooth decay. This may be because Coca-Cola contains a lot of sugar. It's also carbonated, which is bad for your teeth. Some experimental errors included there was not enough trials and the eggs were checked at different times of day. To increase the validity of the results, a second trial could have been done and measuring times could have been more accurate. Based on my testing, I found that Coca-Cola had the most negative effect on tooth enamel. This may be because Coca-Cola has high sugar levels and carbonic acid, which is most likely why I had the most change in pH. However, to increase the validity of my findings, I will have to be more accurate with measuring times and perform more trials. The implication of my findings may help people have better informed choices about what they choose to drink. I learned Coca-Cola is not good for your tooth enamel. Something I could have done differently is use other materials other than eggs. The next step in researching this problem is finding ways to prevent acidic drinks from damaging tooth enamel. My results can be applied in everyday life because acidic drinks are very common and people should be more aware of the damage it could do. My results can be applied in other studies that explore dental health. And here are my references cited.